Let's talk about the biggest lie you were ever sold. The lie that being a good girl is how you get loved. That being low maintenance, easygoing, endlessly chill is the key to a man's heart. So you learned. You mastered the art of shrinking. You became the cool girl who didn't need fancy dates or constant reassurance or grand gestures. You made yourself fit perfectly into the small, quiet space he offered, and you called it compromise. You were so graceful, so understanding, so convenient. And what did it get you? Invisible. Here's what really happens when you make a career out of being low maintenance. First, you trade your standards for scraps. You were so terrified of being labeled needy or high maintenance that you started celebrating the bare minimum. A last-minute text became a date. A crumb of attention felt like a feast. You got so used to hunger, you forgot what a full meal even felt like. You confused being easy to be with being easy to forget. Second, you become a background character in your own life. His dreams, his goals, his bad day, they're the main plot. Your job is to be the supportive, steady setting, the reliable backdrop. You stop talking about your own dreams because they feel silly or too big or like they'll take up too much of his time. You edit your personality down to a chill vibe until you're a muted version of yourself. You look in the mirror one day and don't recognize the polite, quiet woman staring back. Third, your anger becomes your deepest, darkest secret. It builds a home right behind your ribcage. Every time you swallow a need, every time you fake a smile when you're hurt, every time you say, "It's fine," when it's not, you add another brick. The resentment grows in the silence. You were so busy being understanding of him that you became a complete stranger to yourself. And fourth, the cruelest truth of all, he never loved the real you. He loved the idea of you, the convenient, no-fuss, drama-free fantasy. The real you, the you with big feelings, messy needs, off days, and loud dreams, that woman never felt safe to come out. So he fell in love with a ghost, a pleasant, peaceful ghost. And the real, living, breathing, glorious you? She's been locked in a closet, wondering when it's turn to be seen. It's time for a truth bomb, love. Being loved, truly, deeply, seen and chosen, is a high-maintenance activity. It requires showing up with your whole, messy human self. It requires taking up space, having standards, and sometimes being deeply, wonderfully inconvenient. The men who are actually worth it aren't looking for a low-maintenance pet. They're looking for a partner, a whole person, a woman with a fire in her belly and a spine of steel. So here's your new assignment, starting today. Become gloriously inconvenient. Start needing things. Start having opinions. Start taking up room with your dreams. Say, "Actually, that doesn't work for me." Ask for what you want, clearly and unapologetically. Be a little too much for the people who can't handle a real woman. Let the wrong men be confused. Let the weak ones get intimidated. The right one? He won't be scared. He'll be relieved. He's been out there waiting his whole life for the real you to finally show up. Stop being the good girl. She was a cage. Step into being the real woman. She is the key.